Okay, so let's look at commas, colons and semicolons. So what they're all about, to get an idea. Now, they each break up the sentence, and which one to use is your choice. Each of them breaks up a sentence, breaks it up, puts a gap, a pause in the sentence, and it's down to your choice, your subjective opinion, your decision as to where and when to put either of those in to split up a sentence. But it also depends on the sentence and what you want to say. The context of the sentence and what you want to say, how you want it to be written or read or perceived or sound or feel. It's down to your choice, but it does depend on what you want to say and the rest of the grammar. So it's down to your choice, but there are things to consider. So while listing things, it is common to use a comma. Comma, X, comma, Y, comma, Z, comma, A, comma, B, comma, 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 comma. I need A, B, C, D, E, comma, 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 to list things out. Okay. Colons, dot, dot, are used before a list. We will need colon, this, that and this. Are you going to go to there or here? I need to travel to, here, there. I need to travel to, colon, Mexico, Panama and Colombia. How cool is that? But semicolons, so semicolon, are used to break up sentences that are too closely related for a comma. So a semicolon, in a way, it's like a conjunction in a way. It breaks up a sentence and yet combines sentences together that are too closely related for a comma and does not justify, you don't need to use a full stop. So it's kind of in the middle, where the sentences and clauses are closely related, but it's not quite a full stop, not quite a semicolon. You don't need a comma, you don't need a colon or a comma, you don't need a full stop. Again, semicolon. But remember, it's your choice. You decide what goes in the sentence. It depends on how you want it to be read, perceived, felt, sound and beyond. It's your choice, your sentences, your words. These are different tools. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.